中国驻美国外交管区昨下晡有一只蓝色的轿车汹汹弄入去中国驻旧金山的总领事馆，嫌犯犯案了后是一直大声喊讲中共伫倒位。那美国的警方赶到现场，已经伫现场甲凶手弹死。那伊详细犯案的动机，即马搁在调查。
一台蓝色轿车，美国时间7到下晡冲入去总领事馆的签证处大厅，现场规个如苍苍，民众惊甲赶紧逃离开现场。警方拘捕到场，开枪甲嫌犯制服，嫌犯送医了后也是救无倒来。
Officers rendered aid, and they had summoned paramedics from the San Francisco Fire Department. And in spite of the life-saving efforts of the police officers, firefighter, paramedics, and personnel at the hospital, the suspect was later pronounced deceased at the hospital.
案发了后，警方伫现场为封锁线，因为有民众看到嫌犯犯案了后，一直大声喊中共伫倒位，嫌犯的身份、犯案的目的也有待查清楚。警方也呼吁民众提供相关的线索。
There's very little information that we can give at this time, and we do ask that if anyone was a witness, if anyone has any video, we know there's some cell phone video that's already circulating out there, to please contact investigators.
包括旧金山警局、美国国务院也甲中国领事馆当地合作处理专案。官方发声明，严厉谴责这个暴力事件，佮向美国提出正式交涉，要求赶紧查明真相。记者综合报道。